Hey guys, and welcome to my video. So, I am going to be doing a Terraria game. If you guys don't know what Terraria is, it's sort of like Minecraft, but not really. It's filled with zombies, maybe like a tiny bit of blood, and some magic. If you guys don't like magic, then this is not the video for you. But if you do like magic, welcome to my video. My name's Johnny Doom, and yeah. Alright, and we are back. So, we are going to start this off. And I'm going to do single player for right now. Because usually I really don't like to play online that much. I don't really find it fun. Battle your opponents? Oh yeah, that's fun. But yeah, and welcome to Terraria. So, it's not really usually this laggy, but I mean, yeah. Where's my nurse at? She's up in her cave. Okay. So, I'm Johnny Doom, and this is my YouTube channel. I make fingerboarding, and apparently, right now, videos on my computer. So, yeah. I mean, if you guys don't find Terraria fun, then I'm not the guy for you to watch. If you find fingerboarding fun, then I'm the guy also to watch. Because I do fingerboarding. I find it really, really fun. And I'm gonna go find some zombies to kill. If you can see my inventory, I have a lot of stuff. Hey, look, goldfish. I have all these weapons, all these stuff, and it's really fun for me. Because, well, let's just put this as a way that Terraria is a good hobby for me. Because when I stopped playing the games I used to love to play, because no one would play them with me anymore. Like, I would have friends come over and would play games all the time. And it was really fun. But then, what happened is I moved. I never liked it. I really didn't. Because now, since when I moved, I had new friends. I mean, it was fun, yes, don't get me wrong. But there's a problem with that. So, I'm gonna stop real quick a second. Hold up. So, I would, have friends. And they would, like, come over and play. But I moved, and it sucked. And yeah. Sorry, I'm sort of silent. I maybe just like woke up a while ago. So don't get me wrong. If you're tired, so am I. But hey, that's part of life. Gotta be tired. And I just broke my torch. Moving some stuff around. Didn't mean to put that there, but oh well. So, right now, it's dark time, and do I have any coins in me? No, I do not, so I am good. And soon I'm gonna fight my first boss. But there's a problem with that. I have the lens I need to fight I have Cachula. I don't know how to pronounce it correctly, I'm sorry. But I have the 6th sense back in my chest, and all I need is defense. So you look down here, right here, I have 11. I need 14. Then the merchant will say, I feel like I have someone watching me. So I go down to, what's it called? Dang it. I get so nervous when I speak on camera. And I forget my stuff. Crud. Sorry. Never mind about that. It's fine. Well, right now I'm just gonna have to find some enemies to kill. And yet, I cannot see whatsoever. So, actually, no, I already have the torches equipped. Jeez. sir. Oh, and look here. Oh, okay, so we have many enemies right now. And so, yeah. Die. Pain in the butts. You would just say, why don't you use your long-range weapon? I'm not good with those. What? Oh. Thought you died. Good lord. Ah! I did not see those zombies there. Okay. Fight me! Oh god, this is like a pain sometimes. Usually I don't play... I actually do play Terraria because I was inspired by Chippy Gaming. He's an amazing Terraria player, and he is my favorite YouTuber so far. So I want you guys to go check him out. His name's Chippy Gaming. And yeah. But for right now, I'm just gonna fight zombies. And floating eyes, or whatever the heck they are. Okay. It's hard to see them, I'm sorry. It's the snow. There it goes. And look. So yesterday I got the life crystal for me to get the nurse. It took me about an hour and a half. You play, like you're saying, you play for that long? No, I play much longer, about 4 hours. Yeah, I know, it's a waste of my time. But if you live here where I am right now, you never get this time to play around. So usually I just take advantage of it and just play it the most I can. Because I go to my friend's house and play with them. Because now usually I only have about 3 friends where I'm at right now. Sucks, but it's true. Hey, I got the banner for 50 demon eyes. Yay. Usually I just fight banners and yeah. And here's what I've done once. I tried to defeat Skeletron. Bad idea. It was a very bad idea. But yeah. I tried and I failed. Lucky I didn't have any points. And I would never go down in the dungeon. That place, I got one shot by the Guardian. Good lord, they are strong. Oh god. No. So apparently I forgot I had most of these hearts. Because I have 120 now because I found the life crystal. Ooh. Yeah, this game's kind of brutal. I can turn it off, but you guys, I don't know if you guys want me to turn it off or not. But, I mean, yeah. I am back. Sorry for the delay. I didn't know what was to do right now. But that might be the video. So, I really do hope you guys enjoy. And I will see you later. Bye!